Still on sequence and series, we are to find the first term of this arithmetic progression. So this is a formula. To get the first term, that's a is equal to c1, n is 1, so which is equal to, any place I get cn, I'll put 1. So I have 2 times 1, or better still, say 2 into bracket 1 plus 6, which will give me 2 times 1 is 2 plus 6, which is equal to 8. Now, to find the common difference, d, common difference d is equal to the second term minus the first term minus the first term. Minus the first term. So my d is equal to, let me first find t1, t2 minus t1. So what's my t2? T2 is equal to 2 into 2. Instead of n, I put 2 plus 6. Let's continue here. Come closer. Come closer. Okay, good. So I have t2 is equal to 2 times 2 is 4 plus 6, which is